Guys, Ed's been working on this flathead here, and it's been a lot of struggle, and I'm going to just bring a little bit of the story to you. But sometimes rebuilding an old engine, it's the reason why there's not a lot of people doing it. There are a lot of problems when it comes to parts matching and specialty machining and rare model years and just parts availability. It is really, really tough, and Ed's had a particularly tough time with this one. It's a 1938 Ford Flathead V8, but it's rare because it's a 21 stud, which was mostly phased out after 37, but it's also a 221 cubic inch. It had a lot of weird stuff about it, and it's a 38 21 stud. He's almost ready to be done with it. The oil pan's going on, and I'm sure he's going to be hopeful to never see that crankshaft again. Cover that thing up and be done with it. So I'll bring a little bit of the story.
The other pan came up here and around here and went that way. Huh. This pan, instead of coming up here and going this way, it goes clear over here and then comes this way.
Oh, so you need a special gasket.
Yeah. It comes in the gasket set.
Huh.
That don't make me any happier.
Right. So.
See, I can't get in there.
Right.
I got the right gasket now.
You found it, yeah.
There's silicone everywhere.
Yeah, it's gooey stuff.
Probably. Get in it.
Oh no! You don't want to send a toothbrush in there or something, do you? Just kind of rub it around.
This pan behind that is dented in a few thousandths, so I can't use the longer one from here down to here.
Oh, so you have to
adapt. Take this off a 34 pan.
Really? Okay. Every piece along the way, this has been a problem, hasn't it? So when I ask you to think about any part or piece that went easy on this engine, you got nothing to say, huh?
Nothing.
Man, I'm so sorry, Ed. You've been struggling on this one.
This is that one that I've been a year trying to find parts. I want to give those people credit. One of these days, pretty shortly.
Yeah.
Give me the main bearing after 3 months.
Now you found someone that's willing to give you specific ones, right?
Yeah.
Not a whole set.
Yeah. Wow, what a
pain.
This motor here is, I don't know, I think I talked about it before. Okay. We got it in, it was, the crank, well, you can put it on.
Yeah, okay.
The crank was 2020. And it had rod bearings and main bearings bad.
Okay.
And it was 60 over. It's a 21 sleeve, 21 stud, 38 motor.
That's rare.
Yeah, a 221 cubic inches. You can't bore it no more than that because the bore would hit the head studs.
Right.
The studs are so close together.
Yeah, the 21 stud comes right against the edge, doesn't it?
That's it, 60 over. They don't make 80 over pistons. So we had to sleeve all 8.
You sleeved all 8?
Back to standard.
Okay.
We turned the crank to 2020. And we couldn't find bearings. My friend Steve, that we
know Steve.
Videos.
Yep.
He had a set of rod bearings. And the rod bearings are 150, 150, 150, 150. So that's $600 for a set of rod bearings. And to buy pistons for it, we bored the standard. And we found a set of standard pistons.
That's got to be hard to find too.
I'm sick.
Okay. Wow.
Grant, you want to help me put this pan on? Everything.
You're going to be glad to cover this up and not look at it again,
This
aren't
pan is the only one that has a square hole. A square hole there for the
Oh, yeah.
dipstick.
The other ones are all round?
Yeah.
You want me to help at all?
I don't know if you can. Grant will help me. He just
Okay,
did it.
Grant's going to give a help.
You have to put the clutch, pressure plate, and disc all on before you put the pan on,
Right.
because it won't go through the hole.
Yeah, the pan captures it, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Okay.
And the clutch holes that hold the pressure plate, these bolts back in here,
Yeah.
are not drilled through.
You're kidding.
They're blind holes.
So just threaded into the block or into the flywheel. Yeah.
So if you ever to break one off, you can't drill through it. I'm so mad I'm dizzy.
Oh my gosh.
So just things like that.
Yeah.
Why wouldn't they drill through it in case of emergency?
Yeah. You are trapped.
They're trapped. So I had to do it myself. Tighten each one of them a little bit. Make sure they didn't break off.
Wow. Wow.
Gotta hold your hand up.
Yes. Grant is he's in high demand.
You have to hold your hand up to get, yeah. Get it in? Get it?
No, it's not forward. It's coming to me a little bit.
Well, oh, okay. It will.
Yeah. Yep.
Never a painter, I never will.
Oh, I know, the same, I blew all the time.